On your iPhone, you can't tap your Apple ID at all. Don't worry. Here are 4 simple fixes to fix the issue. Check screen time restrictions. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap Screen Time. At the bottom, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now scroll down until you see the Accounts option. If this is set to Don't Allow, that's exactly why iCloud is blocked. Now, switch the option to Allow. Now go back to the main settings screen. Sometimes you may need to close settings completely and reopen it. And just like that, you should now be able to tap your Apple ID again. If this step doesn't work, try. Toggle airplane mode. From the top right corner, swipe down to access the control center. Now toggle on airplane mode, wait for 5 seconds and turn it off. This reconnects Wi-Fi and cellular. Update your iPhone software. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and click on General. Tap Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. Restart your iPhone. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and click on General. Scroll all the way down and tap on Shutdown. Swipe the slider to shut down. Turn your iPhone back on after a few seconds. Now go back and see if Apple ID is clickable or not. This fixed the issue. Subscribe and comment below which fix worked for you.